Hello everyone, I hope that all of you are doing well. I'm back for another shave, and today I'm gonna use for very first time Marrakech by PantaRei. First time trying PantaRei soaps. I heard nothing but great things about these soaps, and that's once again thanks to my friend Brett from Make It a Great Shave. He asked me, hey, have you tried PantaRei soaps? They're from Italy, they're awesome, and I said no. And he immediately brought me a couple of sets. This is the first one that I'm trying, and you probably know, if you're not new to the channel, that I love rose scents. So looking at the label, if you don't like rose, maybe just skip on this one. But I'm telling you, that's an excellent scent. Very nice blend, classy, very sophisticated type of a scent, if I can describe it on the best way. If you're worried that it's not masculine, in my opinion, that's not an issue here. But again, people don't like rose, and that's perfectly fine because it's subjective. PantaRei from Italy, of course. That's why my friend Brett is so passionate about me trying this. I believe they have only vegan base. Let me double check here real quick. Yep, I don't see any tallow in this one, so this one is vegan base. I brush loaded already here my Wald brush, and I was kind of like careful not to overload. We'll see how it will go. Hopefully that will be enough for my shave today. I don't want to go hard, it's not my soap, and these guys are first hard to find over here in North America. Everywhere where I checked, they're sold out. On PantaRei's website, I believe that the set with the matching splash is around 60-65 euro, if I recall correctly. But before I lather, let me read the scent notes over here on the label. You probably saw them. They're listed, very convenient. So we have Moroccan rose, we have oud, we have saffron, and jasmine. Very simple. I love when there are just a few notes, but I'm telling you, the way that they're mixed together is just so nice. It's hard to imagine that someone will dislike this one. And I apologize for the background noise. My little one is once again sick. You know how it is with kids, and he's extremely tired trying to nap, but also all the congestion from his cold, they're kind of like preventing him to be comfortable. So he's currently crying at the background. Hopefully it's not too noisy. But yeah, I'm gonna prepare my face with some water, and I'm gonna follow Brett's request. He asked me to tub load and face lather this one to just enjoy the classic wet shaving experience. So that's what I did. So we're gonna face lather. I'm gonna speed it up, of course, for you. Okay, I did wet my face. I like to switch it up. Primary, I do primary I do bow lathering. But occasionally I switch it up, and I do every now and then face lathering. And the Wald is really pleasant to use. It's like face lathering with a cloud, very soft. The smell is just so nice. Very sophisticated mix, luxurious, pleasant scent. I did around 10 to 12 swirls, if I recall. Didn't go heavy with the load. I don't want to use too much of red soap, but so far it's going well. I also don't want the lather to be with high structure. I don't want it to be too foamy. Excellent. I can add more water, but I'm at the point that I'm really happy with the consistency and the creaminess of the lather. And let's start with the first pass. I'm gonna use my Karve Bison. I was thinking to use the stainless steel, but I actually like how this kind of like purple detail on my aluminum Never Alone edition Bison aligns with the color here on the label. You can see slightly matchy action with the border of the label. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go. First pass with the Bison, and inside I have Gillette Nacet, if I recall correctly. Yes, this will be the third or fourth use of this blade. Boy, the scent and the feel, the skin feel when the lather is on is just very luxurious. It's a shame that my little one is with a cold now, because it's just the spring break. Though the weather here in Vancouver was and continue to be, maybe you hear the rain, just non-stop rain and cloudy, dark weather. So not many spring vibes during that spring break for the kids. I hope that next week the weather will be better. And my youngest will feel well and the cold will be over. Very nice slickness. Very nice first pass. After rinsing the soap, the skin feels like I added a balm on it. There is decent residual slickness, not the greatest, but the skin feels very hydrated from the soap. So yeah, that's a good feeling. If I have enough soap, I'll do a face wash at the end for sure. Let's prepare the face for the next pass. This will be second and final pass for today's shave. Against the grain. Just light coating with the lather. My load will be just enough, probably will have for a nice face wash left in the brush. The Wald brush is very dense and it kind of like holds decent amount of lather. The bathroom smells amazing. Such a good smell. No issues buffing, the residual slickness is great, especially after the second pass. It gets better, of course. Let's just see if I'll need some pickup here. Yeah, a couple of spots where the growth is all over the place. Just a very light coating. I can already tell you that the post-shave feel from the soap itself, it's just great. Very nice. Just a light rinse, and let's see how much lather we have left here. Should be enough for a nice face shave. Yep, here we are. Good for another pass or even two. No problems at all. As I said, I did a very light load on the brush, and you can see that a little goes a long way. And don't waste the lather. That's something that it's fairly new to my post-shave routine, but yeah, washing the face with the lather is good, especially this one. The skin feels great. We are BBS. Fantastic. The Bison with Nacet. Just an excellent job. Time to finish with a matching splash. Marrakech. Over here. Let's see. Do we have ingredients? No ingredients. I assume that it's alcohol based, right? I almost forgot to shake it. Ah, such a good smell. So good. Oh, that's just so good. Even more sophisticated scent than the soap, but it's kind of like the same on a way. You know how it is when they make soap? The artisans, they say that the soap actually affects the scent notes. So the splash is usually where the real deal is. And that's the case with this one. Fantastic. It's so much better than the soap. Wow. I really love this one. I'll keep an eye if it comes back on TRC. I know that in the past I've seen some PantaRei products there, so maybe they'll have a restock. Boy, this is so good. Very, very nice. So today we checked together Marrakech by PantaRei from Italy. Thanks to my friend Brett. Make sure to check his channel or Instagram. I'll leave links in the description of this video. He's doing excellent daily reviews, and this one got very high score, and I know why. Because it deserves it. On my opinion, you know, scents are subjective, but this one is just so good. Such a banger. Might be my favorite rose. I know that I said this one for PantaRei soap, but I would rate this one a bit higher. It's just such a good scent. Fantastic mix of the scent notes here. Thanks for joining me for this video. I hope that you like this one. I'll see you in the next one, and until then, stay safe.